show you how you could enter into a Google meeting or one of your classes. So first, your teacher would email you a link or they'll send it to you by WhatsApp. So you need to go to your email or WhatsApp and open that link. So to join the video meeting, click here. So you click here. And as you can see, this page will come up and you can see yourself. If you want to turn off the microphone, you turn it off here. If you want to turn off the camera, you turn it off here. If you want to set a background up, you use visual effects. And for example, I'll set this up here. And now that's my background. I'll turn off for the remainder. Okay. And if you want to test your audio or video prior, you can click check your audio and video here and you can see to make sure it's working. And then after that, you just click ask to join. And the teacher will accept you into the call. All right, so now I'm in the call. As you can see myself in the bottom corner. So here, the options, same camera, mute, and you also can turn on subtitles. So when you speak, si yo hablo en español, los subtítulos se aparecen. And if you want to change the language of the subtitles, you just click this, settings, and go to captions, and you can change the language of the subtitles. And this box over here, chat with everyone, you could chat with your teacher. All right, and you have other various options here if you want to go use a whiteboard, or if you want to share your screen, you can share your entire screen or share a window or share a particular tab. And that is a brief demonstration of how it works.